Go fly a kite, unpacking an idiomatic expression in English. Hello everyone. Today, we're diving into the fascinating world of English idioms. Specifically, we'll explore the phrase, go fly a kite. It's a quirky expression with an interesting backstory and usage. By the end of this video, you'll understand not just what it means, but also how and when to use it. So, let's get started. Go fly a kite might sound like an invitation to a fun activity, but it's actually an idiom with a metaphorical meaning. This phrase is used to dismiss someone in a somewhat rude or dismissive way. It's akin to telling someone to go away or stop bothering you. However, it's often used in a light-hearted or semi-serious manner. Understanding an idiom often involves a peek into its history. The phrase, go fly a kite, dates back to 20th century America. It likely comes from the literal act of flying kites being seen as a solitary and pointless activity. Thus, telling someone to go fly a kite was akin to saying, go waste your time elsewhere. Knowing when to use this phrase is crucial. It's generally used in casual conversations and often with people you are familiar with. It's important to note that while it can be playful, it can also be seen as rude. Therefore, context and the relationship with the person you're speaking to are key. A good rule of thumb is to use it only when you're sure it will be taken in good spirit. Let's look at some examples. 1. In a playful argument, you think pineapple belongs on pizza? Go fly a kite. 2. In a casual dismissal, you're telling me to clean my room? Go fly a kite, I'll do it later. Go fly a kite is a quirky and colorful part of the English language. It's a great example of how idioms can add flavor to our conversations. Remember, the key to using idioms like this one is understanding the context and the relationship with the person you're speaking to. Hope you found this explanation helpful. Happy learning, and see you in the next video.